Good afternoon. Ian Cooper here with Chasing Markets. Hope this finds you well. As I'm sure you're well aware, markets nosedived today on continuing fears of a trade war with the international community and the United States. As a result, many of the major indices fell significantly today. As you can see, this is the S&P 500. Just broke through the 50-day moving average, that blue line right there, to the downside. There's now fear that unless it holds support around 26.75, it could plunge to at least the 200-day moving average near term. Should it fail to hold that 200-day, we could test triple bottom support around 2600 near term. We're also seeing signs of decay and a lot of chaos on the NASDAQ as well. As you can see here, another falling knife here, failing at overhead resistance after breaking to a new high above a double top dating back to March. If we continue to fall here, we could break the 50-day moving average around 74.11. Should that fail to hold, we could move significantly below that 50-day moving average and potentially test double bottom support around 7,059. Let's hope that doesn't happen. That would be a lot of chaos. Again, all on the heels of trade war fears. And we can also look at the Dow Jones as well. We can look at the DJIA here. And we can see that today, the Dow Jones fell more than 328 points on the day, breaking through not only the 50-day moving average, but the 200-day moving average as well. Should it continue to descend here, we could test triple bottom support dating back to February of this year, testing around 23,500. And should it fail at that point as well, we could test just below 23.5 and then potentially just below 22.5 at this point as well. This all has to do again with the trade war fears. Hopefully we'll see them cool down near term and we can enjoy some near term upside in these markets. Right now that's up in the air at the moment, unfortunately, but be well aware of these potential falling knives in the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. Have stop losses in place to protect your portfolios as well. It's always safe to have good money management in place. Again, this has been ChasingMarkets.com. We'll speak again very soon. Thanks so much.